Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this device. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Xiaomi Wear application. Once the devices are paired, you can open the Xiaomi Wear application on your phone. In the app, tap on the profile icon, then tap on the watch faces. Here select online option, and right here you have different categories of watch faces you can browse through. Find the category you like, you can tap on the more button to open the whole category, then find the watch face you like, tap on it to select it, for example this one, then tap on apply, and the watch face will start downloading on your watch. Wait until it's done. Let's try again. For some reason it didn't install. And this time it worked. As you can see, it says applied successfully, and it should be applied on your watch. As you can see, once it's applied, you can delete it from your watch if you want to by tapping on delete, like that. And also, I believe if you download it, let's check. So let's wait a couple of seconds until it's done. Okay, so once the watch face is downloaded, I believe you can go back to the watch faces menu, and in the local it should be right here. So you don't need to go back to online, find it there and tap on apply. If you changed it, you can simply find it right here in the local category, and if you want to change back to it, you can tap on it, select it, and tap on apply, like this. And that's how you download additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.